Looks like bond court is back in session out of Broward County in Florida. You're going to see a bunch of inmates go before the judge on a number of different matters, but what we are waiting for is that the Florida shooting suspect, Nikolas Cruz, is up. He is coming up, actually. This is him. There, you can see him in the orange jumpsuit. Nikolas Cruz, we've seen pictures of him on the internet from his social media and Instagram.
Are you Nikolas Jacob Cruz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. You are charged with 17 counts of premeditated murder. I have something very important to tell you. You're charged with some very serious crimes. You have the right to remain silent. If you give up that right at any time during this hearing, whatever you say can and will be used against you in the prosecution of this case. State, how would you like to proceed today? Are you seeking to hold the defendant no bond and a finding of proof evident presumption great?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may proceed.
Your Honor, the state's relying on the sworn affidavit that the court has been provided as to the 17 counts of first-degree murder and the contents of the sworn affidavit by detectives citing the actions of the defendant in going to Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School on February 14th, 2018 with a premeditated design in that he went loaded with an AR-15 rifle. He had additional ammunition with him and shot 17 individuals who later died as a result of the gunshot wounds, and then he fled the scene. So the state is seeking a no bond hold on the defendant.
Okay, defense?
Your Honor, the defense has no arguments at this time and will defer until further court proceedings. We would formally invoke Mr. Cruz's right to remain silent, and that notification relates to any law enforcement agencies that are involved in this case, both at a state and federal level.
Okay, I've reviewed the probable cause affidavit. Mr. Cruz filed in your case, and I find probable cause. I further find the proof of guilt to be evident or the presumption great. Therefore, Mr. Cruz, you're going to be held without bond until further order of the court. This order is without prejudice for you to file a motion to set bond with your assigned division judge and request a hearing under State v. Arthur. Does anybody know, has he been assigned a division judge yet?
Yes, he has, Your Honor. He's been assigned to Judge Shears.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Sir, you're going to be held no bond. Okay. All right, let's go back to, we have to wait for them to bring them back.
Welcome back to the Law&Crime Network. You just saw the bond hearing for the suspect in the Florida high school shooting that took place yesterday. That was Nikolas Cruz. He is being held without bond. The judge said that in terms of there being probable cause, she found that there was proof of guilt to be evident and a high level of probable cause that he committed the shootings. He is charged with 17 counts of murder, and he is being held without bond.